Hey guys, good afternoon. It's Angelo, Christian Financial, and one of the biggest things that we talk about here with our company, we are a direct, nationwide lender for commercial and residential lending, but we always help people with their credit because that's a huge part of getting a loan is your actual credit score. So we've been talking a lot lately about how to delete things off your credit, and I've shot a lot of videos on that, and we actually explain the process of how to remove things off your credit. Today, we're actually looking at an actual credit deletion letter. This is after you've disputed something on your credit, and what it looks like when you actually get a deletion letter in the mail from the actual credit bureau. In this case, it's Equifax deleting something off of this is a simulation. It's an actual real letter, but we've removed all of the person's identity on the letter, obviously, but it's a legitimate real letter from Equifax showing what it actually looks like to delete something off of your credit, and the person's credit score went up 100 points by getting this collection deleted off their credit. So what happens is that if you have a collection, for example, on your credit report and you file a dispute on it, it just shows that it's in dispute. Well, that's okay, but it doesn't permanently remove the collection off of your credit report. It kind of halts it or freezes the trade line. So it's not gonna permanently take care of the problem. You're just kind of putting a Band-Aid on it. So when you actually get something deleted, it's like you permanently remove that off of your credit file forever. And that's very, very powerful. That's a lot different than putting something in dispute. That's a lot different than settling something. Because when you settle something, it just puts it on the credit report that you've settled it. And that's good, but it's not the best thing to do. A deletion is the most powerful thing to do. And so we're talking about this because if you want to see a 100-point increase in your credit, you really have to, get a deletion letter, and that's what this is. A settlement, is going to help you, but you're only going to get maybe 20, 30, 40 points. You're not going to get a 100-point increase, and it's still going to stay on your credit. So today we're going to go over the shoulder and I'll actually show you what an actual deletion letter, so you have the right expectations when, let's say you call our office and you ask to get approved for a loan, because we help our clients with their credit, and we say, hey, go get a deletion letter. You're gonna know, what is a deletion letter? What does it look like? What do I have to do? Because a lot of people don't know about credit and they're very confused. So here, this thing right here is an actual Equifax credit deletion letter, and this is what it looks like. And we can kind of go and take a look at it here over the shoulder. So this is, dear Mr. So-and-so, we're pleased to announce the results of your dispute recently with Equifax. And you're gonna scroll down. It has a confirmation number, it shows the date here. And if you scroll down here, I'm just gonna go down to here, you can see what it's gonna show. Okay, so it says, how should I read my dispute results? It's either deleted, verified as reported, or updated. You want the first one to say deleted. See right here at the top, it says deleted. That's what you want it to show. If it shows verified, then you're screwed. So if it shows that it's updated, that means that it's just updated what's on there. So if you scroll down here, and it shows here the results of the investigation, we have research to collection action, account number 1457827, and the results are, this has been deleted from the credit file. Okay, listen to what I said. This has been deleted from your credit file. All right, this Centerprise Consulting, this collection agency, what's Centerprise as a collection agency, has been deleted from the Equifax credit report. That's what you're gonna have to get if you want something deleted off your credit. So what is the process? And you can watch all my videos on the process of doing this. The first thing is picking up the phone, calling Centerprise to make a negotiation, a settlement, to get that collection settled. This one was $186, paid 40 bucks. Get me a settlement letter and watch my video on that I shot on how to get something deleted off your credit. Give me a deletion letter. They send you the deletion letter. You send that to Equifax. You submit it. You say, Equifax, it's been deleted off my credit. Dispute it. This is the outcome. It gets deleted off your credit forever. So when that person's credit was 620 and it shot up to 721, 101 point increase, that's how you do it, guys. This is the outcome of a deletion letter right here. This is a credit deletion letter. So that's what this whole video is about. So remember, we're not a credit repair company. We help people with credit repair. No problem to do that for you. But we're a lender. We help people with lending for if you're trying to buy a home. Our minimum purchase price is $200,000 for a home. If you're trying to do a commercial loan, our minimum price is $1 million. We lend nationwide. We want to help you guys, but if you need help with your credit, I love to help people with their credit. No problem to do that, but we're not a credit repair company. If you need very basic, minor credit repair, we can help you with that to get your loan. If you need major, expensive credit repair, we can help you with that too. We have our credit attorney reach out to you. They do charge, and you can talk to them about those fees. We're not involved with them. They're going to charge you if you need major, extensive credit repair. But if you need minor credit repair, we can offer you a boost to help you. This is a way on how you can actually get something deleted off your credit. This is what you want, guys. You want it to show like this shows here, boom. It's been deleted off the credit file. That's what you want. So anyway, if I can help you with any type of lending, call our office at 832-431-6331. Also, you can on the link on the YouTube channel, you can actually click there to get signed up to get pre-approved with Angelo Christian. We're open 7 days a week. Click on that link to get signed up to get pre-approved, or call our office at 832-431-6331. Or if you already own a home and maybe you have an FHA loan, check out my other video on the FHA Streamline Refinance. We have ultra low interest rates to help you to refinance. So check out that video, guys.